back to Dee's Place, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Before we go another further, please subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I post another video. And as always, like, share, leave me a comment. You already know I'm going to appreciate it. And just in case you don't, I'm letting you know right now, I appreciate you. So guys, this is a unboxing. So about 4 days ago, I was on and Gangster Moji's Facebook Live, and he was doing a giveaway, and guess who won the giveaway? Your girl Dee's Place won the giveaway, y'all. So we're gonna do an unboxing, and we're gonna see what's in the box. I have not opened it. I got my knife so I can open it, and so I just wanted to share with you guys what we got. I hope everybody is doing well and man, I hope everybody's doing well and swell, y'all. They wasn't letting nobody get in this box. Ignore my light back there, but this is gonna be a quick video because yeah. So see what we got in here. Ooh. We got a TikTok. A TikTok sweatsuit. Winter coming too. That's the pants. Uh-oh. This is a sweatshirt. Hood. Okay. Now, as much as I look at TikTok, my friend has me, oh my gosh. That's all she does is watch TikTok. I have a Taco Bell gift card. Yep, a Taco Bell gift card. I have, hold on. What we doing? Some shoes, y'all. I gotta be careful opening these. Hold on. Some Nike socks. And y'all, now I can't do nothing with this big old shoe, but there's some Jordans. Some Jordans, y'all. Hold on. A pair of Jordans. All right, so that concludes the unbox. Oh, and some bubble wrap. No, just playing. So thank you, Gangster Moji. I really, 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 really appreciate it, and I had fun. I had fun in the live. So if y'all not subscribed to Gangster Moji, y'all head on over there and subscribe to his channel. His channel is really growing. He doing big things over there, so shout out to him. And again, thank you. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next giveaway. And all that good stuff. So I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.